Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to connect Insightly to Slack? This tutorial will help you integrate the two tools, ensuring smooth communication and project management. Follow these steps to connect Insightly with Slack. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first thing first guys, you need to go ahead and open insightly.com. Go ahead to this website and basically go to whatever thing you would like. For example, go to here, log in, go to continue with Google. Basically you have to go through whatever you like. You either have to go to sign up so you can create an account, or basically sign in and choose whatever way you would like to connect your account with. Now let me just remove these so I can get the access to the home page. Something like that can help me since I don't really want to give them a number or something like that, because we can skip it very easily. Now the next thing to go is to go to your account and go to the system settings. After that, go to the bottom of the page, click on integration lists, and you will be able to find here a couple of applications that could be connected with your Insightly account. Now these 4 applications are the ones that are mainly very easy to connect with, but the other ones, basically in our case Slack, it's gonna be pretty difficult to do so. Well, let's try it out. Go to integrations and basically we'll find Slack in here. In case you didn't find it, you can search for it like that. So Slack, and as you can see here, you will find this in this area. Let's go ahead and open it, and here we'll find a full article that talks about Slack and how we can integrate it and the use cases of it. Let's start by reading like the page and understanding, well, how can we use it. Well, Slack is a business communication platform that is popular among organizations of all sizes. It features chat rooms organized by topic as well as direct messaging and the ability to create private groups. Companies use the platform to consolidate their communication into one unified solution. Why integrate Insightly in Slack? Well, Slack helps organizations simplify and speed up their communication. By integrating Slack and Insightly, your sales and marketing organization can work together as one unified team to create better customer experiences and drive more revenue. The use cases, well, you can create conversations in Insightly. By integrating Insightly and Slack, you can create a conversation from your CRM system. This will create a new Slack channel with a name that you specify. You can also create private channels restricted to certain users. Share key CRM confirmation across Slack. With Insightly and Slack integration, you can share information from your CRM with your team members in Slack. Want to celebrate wins with automatic alerts about closed won deals? Want to let managers know when you key milestones in the pipeline are reached? You can easily automate these and any other notifications as you see fit for faster communication and collaboration. So these are the main uses like cases for Slack and Insightly. Now to get the access to it, you have to request a demo. A demo is pretty easy to get, but you have to wait a longer time than usual. So it will not be instant solution, since you have to wait a couple of days until they answer you. So this is like not the best solution that you can get. We can go to Slack and basically try to connect Slack and Insightly from Slack. We can do that as well. Maybe we will face the same problem. So let me just go, for example, to here. I'm now on one of my basically Slack channels. So let's wait a little bit, and as you can see in this area, you will have here your channels and everything about it. You can here add new things, or basically go to external connections. So let's go ahead and go to external connections, and basically here you will find a couple of things like company, like other things like things that you can add, invitations, activity, and much more. You can add new workspace, you can check your activities. But yeah, adding like a new extension is pretty not through this area. So how can we connect them both? Well, the answer for your question is pretty easy. Well, you either can click here on add apps and search for Insightly. As you can see right here, search for Insightly, and you will not be able to find it, unfortunately. So the actual solution is basically not by integrating it through a connection, but by a third-party app which is called Zapier. So you have to go to zapier.com, and basically we have to connect them both to Zapier and create an automation task between them. So let's do that real quick. Go to apps, and right there search for Insightly and connect it. So let's search for Insightly, and let's connect our account into it. So there we go, Insightly. We have to add a API key. You can either click right here and it will take you right to the page where you can copy the API key, or simply go to your Insightly page, go to your user settings, go to the bottom and copy this API key, paste it right there, and you'll be good to go. So for example, if the connection was made successfully, when you test the connection there will be a green message like that. When the connection is bad, there will be a notification right here that says the error testing connection. Now after you have done that, you have to do the same thing now with Slack. So go ahead and search for apps again, search for Slack, and basically go ahead and connect to your account. Let's test if our account is connected. So test connection. Yep, it is connected successfully. So we can go now and do the actual connection. Now what are we going to do is go ahead into create and click on Zaps. Right after that, I'm going to go right here and write a prompt. So what the prompt should look like, well, it's pretty simple. Go here, let me just show you guys, and write, for example, connect Insightly with Slack. And let's look here on the left. You will find like a couple of answers. So you can automate notifications in Slack whenever a new context is added in Insightly. Here is how you can build your Zap. New record in Insightly, new channel message in Slack. Let's add it, for example. In case you didn't like it, you can write a prompt that is more specific, that has more details, so the AI can understand exactly what you are looking for. Sometimes there will be a couple of like glitches like that on the page that's basically gonna lag you, so make sure to refresh it so you can add both tags in here. Or basically you can literally just click on both of these or one of these and then add the application, then choose the event that will be happening, then click on the second and basically click on the event that will be happen next. For example, here I'm gonna search for Slack, so let's go search for Slack. There we go, add it. Let's choose the accounts. Okay, let's choose the event first. So the event, for example, you could get this much like big amount of event. You can find all of these, so choose exactly what you want. For example, I'm gonna go with create channel, this one, choose account. Let's go with, okay, I think this one is working. Alright, perfect. Click on continue. Choose, for example, contact, continue. This trigger doesn't have to be working, and continue. Now the same thing here, continue, action, first name, title, for example, and basically that's it. You could click on continue, skip test, and just like that you have created your new Zap. You can now publish it, and now whenever there is a trigger on Insightly, an action should be working on Slack on the other hand. And that's it, pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If there is any more questions or problems that you have faced during your tutorial or this tutorial, you might let it down or write it down in the comment section. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel, and see you guys in the next tutorial.